Hello, my name is Tamsak and I'm in the Mystic Vale. These are one of Canada's oldest trees. These trees were protected, and I really like the designs of the trees. And the trees are very old, and that it's so old, I don't know what will happen. So, I'm Damsak, and I'm going to tell you some facts about trees. Trees grow and they're really old. You can plant a tree with seeds. Number 2, a tree is a type of bark, and there's different types of trees in the environment in countries. And then it's going to be so great, and without trees there'll be no oxygen. So you have to protect the environment so we could get oxygen, and the trees will be great, eat again, and the environment will be peaceful. My name is Damsak, and bye.